Hello everyone, good night. Come back with me, Aida, here, and this is my blog for night. Yeah, let's talk with me and help me to thinking about my topic today. Because maybe I just want to use random topic for this night again. Okay. Uh, Earlier I'm going to Mise with my friend, and then after that I'm going home. I mean I'm go back home. uh, and I just lunch at my house with my mom with chicken geprek, guys. Then but my mom eat the pecel with vegetable. You know, after this I just helping my mom. Maybe now I wanna go again for my mom with, and then just help her again. After this, just wait for making a vlog first, cause yeah, I'm already busy, guys. After this, so I make a vlog. And how are you today, guys? Are you have eaten yet or no? Don't forget to eat. And guys, yeah, today I just finished for a class. The subject is entrepreneurship from Mr. Berlin. This is one our subject. That's why make me feel like we going campus in afternoon. It's so very hot weather and makes me tired. Wait, okay, and makes me tired. So really tired. It's hurt. And guys, and then we uh just 2 hours for doing subject, and we go back home. But before I'm going home, I just making a plot at Mise with my friend. Guys, today I will um talking about a mountain. Yeah, this is the first time to talk about the mountain from this is the mountain Rinjani, step from Lombok here. You know, Rinjani mountain is very famous until other country, until different island like Java, Sunda. There's so many again, and so many people can go to Rinjani mountain. Yeah, my own. I want. I'm really want go to mountain, but yeah, I'm just thinking about my condition. My immune is not stable because yeah, I have anemia, guys. I feel like yeah, my condition now is very different. Before I have a problem when I child, before I join school. That's why that's make my immune is very down until now when I'm teenager. Yeah, I'm so trauma because when I child I'm still go and back house from hospital. That's why make my immune is so down until now, and not make me feel like uh before again. Yeah. About mountain Rinjani, it's very This is the high mountain in the world. Yeah, this number two mountain is very high in the world. In yeah, and then Rinjani have so many mysterious like memory, like so many story about horror story about Rinjani Mountain. It's that from it's not from here people local here like, but it's from different island. They just going Rinjani, but like they can't go back home, cause yeah maybe they just not doing the rules. That's why make so many spirit in this mountain is angry about them. Cause when you wanna go mountain, maybe you just can uh, filter your words like you not doing danger activity like just doing the rules about this mountain, not say bad words there. Yeah, it's so very sensitive when you're going mountain. Even I'm not have a experience for going mountain, but I'm knowing because so many story I hear like on YouTube, on Instagram or TikTok. Yeah, so I have a little by little about story stuff from people going mountain. Yeah, like yeah, sometimes people go mountain so very excited and after that they pass away because yeah it's a wrong time, maybe they going at wrong time. That's why ah especially when you are girl and you going mountain, if you period maybe you can't going mountain. Like when you have a period you just thinking about you can't going mountain when you have a period. Maybe it's really danger for you guys if you going mountain and you period. Yeah, because so many story about this girl, like she's just swimming at this mountain and then they find this girl is passed away because yeah she's just take stress about her blood maybe. That's why the the spirit of this mountain is pyramid on her and make her is not it can't going home again and pass away in her in this mountain. Yeah, yeah, I know. Mountain like Rinjani Mountain or Everest Mountain is very beautiful, but yeah, I just say on YouTube and TikTok, Everest is really so many people pass away there because yeah the extreme route there and so cold weather because Everest have a snow season until now. That's why I make like so very cold and maybe some people can't go back and pass away like dying there in this mountain. I just see so many people die there. It's poor for her family, for his family. Maybe see the family is passed away there, and I just have empathy for as a human, like yeah, just like poor baby. Oh my god, yeah. That's why I have like maybe is that from you can uh basically you can list your, yeah, your food, your things, like, yeah, just prepare perfect before you going mountain, guys. And you can thinking about where or when you can going mountain. No, it's not where. When, I mean when you can going mountain. Do not eh, do not make yourself to what to wrong time for going mountain again, guys. Just makes everything is really chaos if you not have a leash. I mean, when you have a so perfect like body, yeah, you can going mountain. I see so many girl in Everest mountain is die, guys. I don't know the specific is the reason, but yeah, so many girl there. And you wanna take this, but it's very expensive when you wanna take this. When you wanna take your family there, right? And then so many about Rinjani Mountain, so many uh, it's not make sense story, but it's real, guys. Old story is that from, yeah, our old teacher here. We say like tuan guru or teacher, old teacher, yeah, have so many um story about this mountain. But actually, I'm so really wanted to go in mountain. Yeah, I just going waterfall and so many again. Yeah, maybe my wish is the one is going place that Rinjani Mountain. Even as a long people are never going mountain just for one moment. Cause yeah, my parent, I just have a strict parent, but it's not make me comfortable. Sometimes so many reason I can tell my parent to go outside. Yeah, this is it. But now just slow down to going so many places. Cause yeah, I'm not like child again, but my mom still look me like a child. I'm so very annoying. But but when I have a assignment from campus and going so far away, yeah, she's always accepted. Why? What is different about campus and just go with own self with my friend, right? And that's why make me feel like confused. Okay, just enough, guys, for this vlog, and I just want to say, see you.